One of my favourite trends for 2018 and a perfect refresh for your living room is to create a large-scale piece of statement art. And you do this by wallpapering one panel and using architrave to create a frame around it. Now this is far less expensive than buying a framed piece of art, and you can use any wallpaper you like to create a bespoke piece for your room, and it adds instant impact and pattern and colour to your space. Don't forget to refresh your kids' bedroom this year too. And a favourite idea of mine is to take a metal garden flower basket and paint it up to match the room or to create a funky colour, perhaps your child's favourite colour. Attach it securely to the wall, and these are perfect for sweeping up all of those bulky plastic toys and soft toys that just get all over the floor. Might just even encourage your children to keep their rooms tidy. For the past year or so, warm metallics has been the trend finish, and this year it's all about mixing metallics, so using warm golds and coppers, rose gold with chrome. So in the bathroom where you have chrome fittings, try also spray painting mirror frames and accessories to create that lovely mixed metallic look. Don't forget to share photos with us on social media of your amazing transformations.